Well, it's April 27th here in the Hudson Valley, and the pollen count is off the chain. Spring has sprung. The spice bush is in bloom. We've got the fragrant spice bush and a leatherleaf viburnum. Both are viburnums, great plant for the garden. These are broadleafed evergreens, so they're a great addition to azaleas and rhododendrons. We could still get a frost. Frost-free date around here is Mother's Day weekend or even Memorial Day weekend. It's really crazy and my eyes are running, my nose is running, and that's just part of the fun of it. So we're looking at my little perennial garden that's in the front of my house. It's kind of odd because I use it along the foundation, but that's the space I have, and it's got good sun. It's got really poor soil. I think they threw all their construction debris in this area, and it's been years trying to get it to do well. But one of the things that's done really well is this mum. This is an old-fashioned single daisy mum called Clara Curtis. It won't bloom until the fall. You have to keep it trimmed back so it doesn't get overly big and floppy. But when it comes into bloom, it just lasts forever and it is so fragrant. It's a fabulous plant. I love it. In front of it, we've got a little dwarf aster, and that won't bloom till fall. A little bit of lavender. I love lavenders. They don't do well here, but some things you just love so much you gotta keep trying. Another thing we love in the garden are little volunteers. Here we have a little small poppy that has volunteered itself, and another little unknown plant. So in the spring, we want to keep an eye out for things and give them a little chance to develop before we weed them out. Things that are very popular in the plant world amongst gardeners is to share plants. But I caution to think about things that have the title weed in it. Something like milkweed. When something says it's weedy, it is weedy. And I tuck this little plant in here in the front of the garden just to keep it there for a little while until I found a place I wanted to put it, or the place was ready to put it. And that didn't happen for a few months. And the shoots have gone down and very deep, and then they come up very slowly, and it is showing up little by little all over the garden. A great thing about spring are all the plant sales that are going on. No matter where you live, there are going to be garden clubs and all sorts of people having plant sales. It's a lot of fun. And I went to one recently, not too far away. They had different growers from all over, a lot of specialty growers. So I got a bunch of woodland plants for the garden, a couple types of Philippindula. This is I forget now, good thing they have tags. Oh, Uvularia, I love that name. Large flower bellwort. A little type of Sisyrinchium, a type of iris, marsh marigold. So I've got a lot of things that I hope to plant down by the edge of the pond. Go have fun at a plant sale this spring.